In a significant move, Karnataka Chief Minister K. Siddaramaiah announced on Friday, December 22nd, that he has issued orders to lift the hijab ban in the state. The previous BJP government initially enforced the controversial ban on the headscarf under the leadership of Basavaraj Bommai, stating that the restrictions on wearing hijab or headscarf in educational institutions in the state will be lifted from December 23. Siddaramaiah said the choice of dress and food is personal and no one should interfere in it. Addressing an inauguration event, Siddaramaiah lashed out at the BJP and said, "They say Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, cooperation of all, development of all, but sidelining those wearing caps, burqa and sporting beard. Is this what they mean?" When someone in the crowd asked about restrictions on wearing hijab, the CM said, "No restrictions. You can wear a hijab. I have instructed the officials that there will be no restriction from tomorrow onwards. You can wear and eat whatever you want. It's up to you. Your choices are yours and my choices are mine. It's that simple. I wear dhoti and kurta and you wear pant and shirt. It's your choice. What's wrong with this?" In a post on X, Siddaramaiah termed Prime Minister Narendra Modi's catchphrase "Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas" as bogus, further stating that the BJP was doing the work of dividing people and society based on clothes, dress and caste. Last year in February, the then BJP government in Karnataka issued a directive supporting the decisions of state education institutions that prohibited Muslim female students from wearing the hijab or headscarf inside the institutions. The government argued that clothing choices that disrupt equality, integrity, and public law and order should be restricted. According to the state, the ban on wearing the hijab in classrooms was deemed not to violate the fundamental rights to religious freedom guaranteed by the Constitution. As the ban on wearing the hijab triggered massive protest in Karnataka, students took their grievances to the Karnataka High Court, which upheld the ban in March of the following year. However, the controversy persisted, reaching the Supreme Court in October 2022. In a split verdict, Justice Hemant Gupta, now retired, upheld the ban, emphasizing the promotion of uniformity and a secular environment. In contrast, Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia deemed the right to wear the hijab in classrooms a matter of choice and a fundamental right. Now, we ask you, what are your thoughts on this complex issue? Do you believe the ban promotes uniformity or infringes on an individual's fundamental right? Share your opinions in the comments below.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.